You're still chilling with the boys training clinic right here on Caseras, Chiawelo Radio. I told you that it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. Just exactly at 5:10 as it is. Now it's happening. I'm having a great guest, Boti Hasani Muhanyi. Butwami, welcome to Chiawelo Radio.
Nakhensa kwamukeliwa mfowethu.
Bonga mina kakhulu Boti. This is one great music that is growing daily and it's taking over in an amazing way. Hence, you have seen Limpopo is busy representing. I think you have noticed that.
Sabo.
Straight up. So, uput uban vele uput.
Mina Hasani Freddy Hlungwane.
Yeah.
Aka Muyimbeleri Xitsonga ntiveka hi sweswa Boti Hasani Muhanyi.
Okay.
Ni munhu loyi ntswariwa ka Malamulele a green farmer.
Okay.
Mara sweswi ni kumeka kwala Soweto kwala Boti.
Okay.
That's why ni kumeki neta kombela ku ta navetisa vunanga bya mina la aka Chiawelo Radio.
I can't. You have great music. And what inspired the album to be Bomba Mukaza?
Ni munhu loyi ni ti nyungubyisaka hi Vutsonga bya mina. So ni khutaza Matsonga mathangana hinkwako lomu va nga kona a va endli ku va tiveka leswaku Matsonga va impressa va accepta Vutsonga bya vona va tlhela va showcase talenta ya vona va ri karhi va tirhisa ririmi ra Xitsonga. That's why nte bomba mugaza.
Straight up. Asiziqhenye ngokuthina, asiziqhenye ngelanguage yethu. This is one genre that is growing every day. How do you define this genre? We explain it as what type of genre is this genre?
Hi ku ya hi mina n'winyi ni vitana ku i Xitsonga xa ku cina xibelani. Leswi ku ciniwaka hi swona makhwayeni ku bombiwa hi swona with different styles. Loko va hlanganile machangana va cina Matsonga u nge ti chavi ku Mutsonga u nga kuma wa dzoki suti ya expensive.
Straight up.
U kuma wo wi hasi u nga ti chavanga. Hi bari ku nghena studio.
Because every time manjika nami emakhwayeni ngiyabona I visited Stapia, I visited Ka Andrew. It's very amazing, and the unity that is there, the vibe of the culture itself is very nice. So when was the album released?
Album you hume last year in June.
Okay.
No kumeka ni ri busy mina n'winyi ni nga koti ku famba ni maketa so hi kona ni endlaku nkarhi because vanhu vo tala va hi lava va ni vutisa ku humelela yini. I nghoma leyi nga va kona yi endliwe na promotion yi launchiwa a Palms yi va city ya Mampela. So ni yo kumeka after that ni va busy hi timhaka ta swin'wana na swin'wana ni nga kumi nkarhi wa ku famba ni promote na ku famba ni cina. Mara sweswi I'm available and people they will see me kwala ku performiwa kona na kolomu ka ti-gig ti nga kona.
There's one song that's interesting on this album, Bomba Mukaza. Track 3 is very inspiring. What inspired this song?
Which one?
Track 3, Nwari Kapanyana.
Oh, Nwari Kapanyana. There's a bird that fly up, loko hari tsongo, ya dlala so flying on standing on one place. So we used to sing Nwari Kapanyana Kave. Then I made it a song.
Oh, wow. It's very interesting. And just checking on your projects, I can tell that you have worked with a lot of people. I see Tinyiko Wini, Shibambu, Jelani wa Jelani, Flora. Jelani wa Jelani, Flora wa Chauke, Ulani, Hlungwane, Clive Chauke. How did this thing happen? Because even the music itself is telling you it was well prepared, the quality itself.
Vanhu va lava nga kwalaho Tinyiko insati wa mina.
Okay.
Lavan'wana ti artists Flora Chauke, well known Xitsonga female artist, award winning aka swa Xitsonga.
Wow.
I munhu loyi a nga tiveka, I munhu loyi nga tirha swin'we swinene hi vona va nga ni khutaza hi vona va back up the whole album in short. Ko va ni tinsimu timbirhi ku yimbelela ku Jelani na Hlulani. So hinkwavo vanhu lava ti music artists and they were in the industry before me, but they allowed to work with me and shape my talent, and as you can hear.
I think one thing that allowed them is the potential that is in your sound and the content that you have.
Yeah.
For one, I'm still inspired by the title you gave the album itself, Bomba Mukaza, and how you explained the Bomba Mukaza.
Yes.
So which other song that people can look for in this album, the one that when you promote and you're saying this one is a banger?
When I promote the whole album,
Yeah.
because all 11 tracks
You love them.
can keep anyone who likes dancing or listening to music that has got message neri tingoma hinkwato 11 tina swa kahle tina mahungu mara vafana va nyawupe it touches me because vana nowadays va teki vutomi va faka ka nyawupe va chava xikolo swi endla ku swi va onhela future mundzuku and I'm touched as a father, as a brother, as an uncle. So I'm using that song to preach or to alert the government a ku na lexi va nga xi endlaku mara to make control ya nyawupe in this country just to protect our future children ku na vona va nga kumeki va va destroyed by this disaster.
Yeah, you know, I'm very inspired because, you know, this is one thing that is lacking in the music that is pushed by certain genres or a lot of youth. Now this is an awareness song because Nyawupe is really a drug that is killing our brothers and, you know, it's killing the future of the nation itself. Nyabonga kakhulu from Boti Hasani Muhanyi ukuthi asinikele ingoma le. Listen to this song. We're going to come back just after this song. Sinteka muntu omusha, be inspired by this song. Get deep on these lyrics because we say Nyawupe is not good. Hey.
This one, brother, is killing me. Listen to what is coming, brother. We're going straight live. We're going straight live. Wow.
It's epic right here in studio. It's very hot. It's very, there's energy, there's life. One thing that I love is the message that is said by the song. Nyempela Jehovah sees of this Nyaupe that is killing our fellow brothers and sisters, is taking over. The future is really getting down. People are dying every day because of this Nyaupe. After all the investment from the parents, Zamukuba Nempilega, Uznikele to Nyaupe, Ulimaza Bazali. Change izenzo zakho.
Definitely sure.
I'm inspired.
Thank you, sir.
The energy, for one, the only thing that I'm picturing is you on stage. Actual performance. When was the event at Palms?
That was on the 29th of June last year.
Wow.
It was a WAPA event.
Wow.
People are still speaking about that because it was well planned, well organized.
Wow. So when can we expect the next event?
If around Gauteng, I will let you know.
Okay, I will be happy.
But soon, we'll be having one in Limpopo, and if possible, or if possible, on Saturday, I'll be in Limpopo, Kampuzana.
Wow.
There's a launch CDS, Flora Machauke.
Nice.
If I make it, I will be there.
Wow.
And you will see the videos.
I'm hoping that you make it with the fact that the energy that you have and the music that you're sharing is really inspiring. And now we're playing song Ilanje Shikaza.
Number 6, yeah.
What inspired this song?
This song is like, I was just becoming crazy, do you know? A lot of people, Brajosh Riman is from Tanin and they're playing that music.
Okay.
So I'm trying to say we're going to take Shigaza from Tanin back to Malamle. It was just a crazy
nice,
song.
That concept.
Do you understand?
Nice. It's a nice concept. Yeah. And Nyempela Uchulega Kulu on the song that is talking about Nyaupe.
Yeah.
What inspired that? Maybe when an incident or what happened mostly we want my feeling on.
You know, brother, I'm a person who like to what's happening, analyze. And I've got, this thing in me that I must help youth to get where they're supposed to be.
I'm inspired.
And I've came across parents, mostly single parents, who are toiling each and every day to bring these boys up and girls. But what did they get? The demon of Nyaupe just take the original child and bring the Nyaupe one. Then the mother wake up 4 o'clock in the morning to go and work for the same trouble. And what will you do? Because it's a child. So I'm trying to take this message to the children who has got ears, so that they know that there's no permanent in suffering. We all grow up suffering, but because we have got a goal and a vision that, for the fact that this one is driving Mazda 323, I want to buy S-Foot.
Straight up.
Do you understand?
Straight
or
up.
Any other big car, or I want to stay in a mansion. It will only happen in the spirit first, then it manifests in the...
Wow.
Do you understand?
Amen.
So
Amen.
if
we have to attract. We have to attract.
Do you understand? So that's what I'm trying to tell them. They must wait for the right time to get that expensive shoe that they need.
Wow.
But they must also accept the parents for their own effort of trying to bring them up. It's not easy to bring a child as a single parent. Even if you both parents, it depends on how do you make your income.
Straight.
So they must not look themselves on the level that they are not, because they will have peer pressure and they will left their home and they are not going to be good out there.
Wow.
Do you understand?
You know, I'm very inspired. Here we have a message from Opriti. Uti. She can feel the energy that is taking place in studio. Yes, you can now you can contact us on 079-074-3990. The number is 079-074-3990. You can text us and give us a message how you feel of the music that we have. Boti Hasani Muhanyi is here doing the most. You know, the song that is playing on background, Ilanje Shigaza. You know, I love the explanation of the song even. So how do people get hold of you on social platforms?
Okay, simple.
Yeah.
I'm a man of social media.
Straight up.
Because I like to share whatever I have with me.
Amen.
Do you understand? They can get me on my cell numbers.
Okay.
Should I give them?
Yeah, we're going to leave these numbers. Lalela Mlaleli, we're going to be taking these numbers just now so that we can push, so that anything that you want to share directly, or my Sarah Lana, On Chiawelo Radio, yeah, we're taking the numbers just now.
071
Yes.
1089 784. That is Vodacom, and I've got another one for Telcom.
Okay, let's add another number, yes.
068
or 068
590
590
67
67
23.
23.
Those numbers will go to Boti Hasani Muhanyi, and they can also get me on Facebook.
Okay.
On the same name, Boti Hasani Muhanyi.
Okay.
They can got me. I've got lots of accounts. They can got me on South African Men Empowerment Forum.
Okay.
It's my page.
Yeah.
They can get me on her cancer, poverty, and HIV solution.
Nice.
It's my organization. It's a page.
Wow.
So they can got me on Better Faith Ministry.
Yes.
It's my ministry. So they can get me everywhere.
Nice. Into engakutshela yona ke mlaleli ukuthi sisazoba naye kakhulu ke uButi. In fact ukuthi there are a lot of programs that he's doing. You can tell that is empowering a community anyhow possible, because all of these pages zichazela ukuthi ungamthola ngendlela enjani. Uyatholakala ke on social platform, on Facebook umthola as Boti Hasani Muhanyi, emtasekhaya ke uMuhanyi lo umbhala as MUHANYI Muhanyi, is Boti Hasani Muhanyi. Uyatholakala on 071 108 9784, uphinde ke umthole on 068 590 6723. We're happy of the music that he's playing for us. We're happy of the energy that he gave us, and mostly I'm happy of the song that we shared. I think personally on this project of 11 tracks, my personal favorite song just now, Bafana Banyaope, with the fact that it's changing me as a young person who's saying I can turn something greater out of the situation of channeling myself than ukuthi ngizekelele ngithi amathuba wekho out there. Yes, bantwana basekhaya, we know even how we started the year, stale unyaka with the COVID, but that doesn't mean it's the end of the world. With the fact that just now we've been celebrating a fellow great talent of South Africa, Master KG. He has done us proud by making sure that the world is waving the flag of South Africa.
From the dusty street, remember.
He's doing the most.
Meaning that we are not allowed to make permanent decisions based on temporal situations.
Wow.
Because
I'm hoping someone is listening. Someone's life is changing right now, because now this is different.
The situation that we're in today doesn't define our future, because it is going to pass. That's why I always say there's no permanent in suffering, because if there was, it is permanent to suffer, I will be still suffering, because there was no cement, there was no lock, there was no doors, but today I'm driving, I'm sleeping on my own bed, I'm waking, do you understand?
Wow.
It's because
Blessings.
I say the history or the line that my family, the history of my family, it is only me who can change.
Straight
that
up.
Anyone who comes after me must know that to go to school is good, to work is good,
straight up,
to have a wife is good,
straight up,
to be a father is good,
wow,
to
to
eat your own food is good, because you have got a choice. And to worship God is number one.
Straight up.
Because he only answers prayers. He's not interested in how you cry.
Wow.
You pray, then he answers.
Wow. You know, we're serving God of wonders. I'm hoping someone is inspired just today. It's not your destiny. It's just a journey. Never die in the process. A position for the progress that you're hoping for. And remember, tandaza and act to achieve whatever that you're targeting. Tandaza and act mtasekhaya. Now, we are as you're listening right now, we're still having fun here, but you know, you can't stop a journey, especially once it's spiritual. It's God himself or turn this direction to this. I'm inspired to go to Minang right here. You know, this is one great interview that I'll never forget in my journey.
Okay.
I'm touched even personally.
You know why in life, my brother?
Thank you.
Everyone on the day that God created you, you have got a book that is written your life. It is only us who listens to the devil who says you cannot do it.
Wow.
Do you understand?
Straight up.
So if we can ignore that issue of saying, why is my neighbor's daughter is getting married? And why me not? Why do you accept that there's no marriage, whereas some people are getting married? It's not you. It's the evil spirit. Why do you put it in you that there's no employment, but people are getting employed every day. So it is not about employment. It's what you declare in your life that you cannot work.
Wow.
So every time you confess good things, then God will honor your confession.
Amen.
Simple.
Amen. You know, I'm very inspired. This is a great interview indeed. Kumbula ke uPuti uyatholakala on Facebook uzothi Boti Hasani Muhanyi, and you can always contact him for even Amasidi saying, even for understanding on other pages and other initiatives that he's pushing. Utholakala on 071-108-9784. Enye number it is 068-590-6723. Ngicela usho kokugcina Boti ama social platform akho.
My brother,
sure,
is that the time is it's not on our side, but I do a lot of things. I don't only do Shbela, I do hip hop, I do my piano.
Wow.
They know me. They know me as DJ Half.
Nice. What inspired that name?
DJ Half.
DJ Half, yeah.
It's like when I was still at home.
Okay.
You know, this festive season, I had a radio of Kenwood. I used to plug from the 29th to the 3rd of January. So the whole village will come to there.
Wow.
So they used to call me DJ. So I cut Hassan free, one, I made it half. Say DJ Half. So
it makes sense. It makes sense.
H-A-F-H, not a half. H-A-F-H. So DJ Half, they can get me on Boti Hasani Muhanyi.
Okay.
That's when I do this Xitsonga, Shbela dance. They can get me on South African Men Empowerment Forum. Is my page where I speak about men's issues and men. Wow. Because as men, we are always called names, but we don't talk to our own fellow men that what you're doing is not right.
To change that,
we only support when there's an issue that attacks men, then it's us again who step on that man, we make it more useless, forgetting that as this is a will. Tomorrow it will be your name that is on the same issue. You will need backup. Wow. So that's where we talk that the problems that you came across in your marriage or from your children of Nyaup, it's not you alone. But some issues are so spiritual that it needs God to be given permission by you to say, God, this is beyond my ability. Wow. Can you take these children of yours that you give me and put that spirit that you put on the face day when they land on this planet Earth? Then they will change. But if you use your human understanding against things that is spiritually, you will die yourself before the people that you want them to die because to them, they've got no problem. It's you because you are normal. You can see that something is not right. Wow. So that's what we're talking about. So on Better Faith Ministry, we're talking about the Bible and how God helped me. When I grew up, do you understand?
I understand.
It comes to where I say, no. Let me listen to what God is saying me. Go spiritual now and talk to the people. Then one day, I was just sleeping. I heard the name Better Faith Ministry. Then I immediately woke up on Facebook. I created the page and it has got a lot of followers. And I'm preaching every day, video, everything. So this, everything, that's why I say, what people say you are, it is not what God says you are.
Amen.
So ignore what they say. Because you have got the one who created you, who knows who you are.
Yeah, let them assume. Assume anyhow.
The only title that you need to honor and embrace is the one that God says you are.
Amen.
The rest, that's why
let them be.
They can make you human beings and they can destroy you.
Straight.
God made you and he will never destroy you himself.
Amen.
Because he honored his ways always.
Amen.
Thank you.
I believe now you still need more of this music. However, isikhathi ke asikho on our side. Uzomlandela kanjalo uPuti njengoba sesishareile ukuthi utholakala ngendlela ezinjani ngemtasekhaya. I'm hoping that we're going to have a session that is going to take us to another, field eyakhe, because he's one man, on Kaseras, local top 40, Chiawelo Radio Station with your boys, Clinic. We're still doing the most. We are.
Akukume mane nikunomina mane angatheli lakaya nuna wa mina mane a nga tshamela kaya
Siyabonga balaleli. Yakhenza.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. And thank you to each and every person. Na khensa ka n'wana n'wana loyi a nga hi yingisela, loyi a nga ta followa my pages after this, na loyi a nga interested ka music. Ti-CD ti kona la ya movini. Loko va lava va ti kuma, va fona ka tinambara va order hi ta va nyika. Ha ti xavisa music wu kona. And va ha to twa music, a vi se twa nchumu lexi.
Eish. I love the quality. I love the content on the music. Everything. Even the cover itself.
Thank you. Can I take this?